Of the things that I think is the biggest fix we can give to foster care and really all the social systems, most of the things wrong in our world. And it's not even that it's an easy fix. There's a lot of things that go into this, but it's community. And I think, at least in America as our society, but I see it other places too, we've become so isolated. COVID did not help us at all, but we're so individualistic and so on our own, and like even just nuclear families, I think, was a big mentality shift that hurt us. That if there were more community around everybody, how much better off would we be? Like the mom in crisis pregnancy, having a community around her, she'd be able to keep the kid. The kid going through mental health, not being in community would be unusual, not the normative. And so maybe we would see these kids that are isolating and having destructive behaviors before they became destructive, if there was more community around them. All these families that have kids in foster care, if there was community around them, so many of them would never have their kids removed, would never get into this space of needing social services. They'd have people there to fill in the gap. A lot of these families are fringe, and just one domino toppling just ruins everything. So if they had a community around them to keep those dominoes from going and even help get them further away from that edge, that just knocks them off into all of these social services and crises. I think community's the key, and I don't have much more for how to get there other than each of us should start being intentional about who is our community, how can we support others, how do we get involved in creating supportive community. But I think the more people that start thinking through the lens of we need to create communities, the better off we'll be.